Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how to use input box in Excel VBA. Okay, to begin, we insert a shape. Let's say we choose an oval shape. Okay, any shape. Okay, then we right click. Then there's a assign macro here. We click here. Then it's here we say new. Okay, so enter tab. Okay, so for this one, because we want to make use of this data, right, TWL and volume, so we will assign the name first. So to assign the name, we put dim T, maybe TWL, comma, and volume as string. Okay, so then okay, then we go here. Then we say T equal to input box open. Okay, so that means we want the prompt or auto the title. Okay, then and key in your thickness, then that here data entry. Okay, then we close. Okay, okay, sorry, so because this one need double quotation. Okay, then go here, W equal input box key in your width. So data entry and L equal to input box key in your length data entry, and so we have volume equal P times W times L. Okay, so okay, okay, then we put, let's say, message box the volume is, okay, and volume. Okay, then we go back here, we try it. Okay, then we click. Okay, key in your thickness. Okay, data entry, the title, key in your thickness. So let's say we key in 20. Okay, key in your width. Let's say we put 30. Key in your length. We put 40. Okay, then the volume is 24,000. Okay. Okay, so this is how we use input box and you see. Okay, let's say we want to make it go to the box there. Okay, then we can use worksheet okay, sheet 1 dot cell. Okay, so it's row, we want it to be here, row number 2. Okay, then we put here, go here, 2, then column 1 dot value equal to t. Was sheet 1 dot cell 2 dot value for w worksheet sheet 1 dot cell 2 3 dot value for worksheet sheet 1 dot cell 2 4 dot value equal volume. So that means we enter all the value into a Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so we go here, try again. Okay, let's say we put here 3 4 5. Okay, once okay, you come in. Okay, you can put here. So this is how we use an input box in VBA Excel. Okay, so if you like my channel, please click. Thank you.